Hi guys, today's video is all about what is affiliate marketing and how does it work. But before we dive into that, I'm Mike Lucas, and if this is your first time to my channel, I'd really appreciate you subscribing, liking, commenting, hit the notification bell to keep updated for future videos. So, affiliate marketing. If you want to know what I'm doing to build my market with affiliate marketing, I've left a link in the description below. Go and check it out, see what you think. With that said, let's jump into my computer and I'll show you what this affiliate marketing is all about. So, what is affiliate marketing and how does it work? Well, let's answer the first part of that question. What is affiliate marketing? In a nutshell, you as the affiliate get paid a commission for driving traffic to someone else's product, i.e. a potential customer. Now, if that potential customer goes to a product owner and buys his product, you receive a percentage for sending that customer to him. It's been in the offline world for decades. People have received commissions for sending business to product providers. A typical one would be a car sales showroom, where a car salesman, he just gets a basic wage, but his wage is made up with a commission on cars that he sells. So that's basically what you'll be doing, and there are two types of products in my mind that you can sell as an affiliate, or sometimes referred to as a partner, and that is a physical product or a digital product. I'm going to address those as two separate items, and we're going to look at a physical product first. And no doubt you've seen all the e-com sites around, all the t-shirts and the mugs and everything else. Those e-com stores are owned by individuals that promote their own goods. But as an affiliate, you don't have to deal with all that. As an affiliate, you don't have to source your product, you don't have to make your product, you don't have to offer support for your product. Your job as an affiliate is quite simple. You just drive traffic to the product owner's website, store, whatever you want to call it, and in return for that you get a commission. You got no other headaches, no customer support or anything. You can just solely focus on one activity, and that one activity is driving traffic. So what we're going to do, we're going to have a look inside one of the better known physical affiliate stores, and that is Amazon.com. Now, a lot of people don't think Amazon or think of Amazon straight away as where to go and sign up for an affiliate program, but as you can see here, become an affiliate. Now, if you go and have a look at that page, it gives you details of what you need to do, and this is my page. I'm already logged in. I'm as an associate. As you can see, Amazon doesn't call them affiliates, it calls them associates, and this is my page. So if we come here, promotions, where are we? It's been a long time since I've come in here. Right, this is a page I'm looking for. This is where you would search for a product, and what we're searching for a product to promote is the link that Amazon give you. It's an identification link that when someone clicks on that link, it's attached to you as the person that referred the potential customer to buy. So let's go, I'll put in mountain bikes or mountain bike, and you click on that and it brings up mountain bikes. Now you select from here which one that you want to promote. And I've selected mountain bikes. I don't know anything about mountain bikes. I don't ride a mountain bike. All I do know is it's a big niche, and within that niche they are enthusiastic about it, and there are problems within that niche that the people need solving, and that is obviously here, which is the best mountain bike, but there's all accessories, all manner of accessories, helmets, gear they wear, everything. So it's a massive niche that enthusiasts in this niche will want information on. And if you provide that information and put links in your information, and people, visitors to your website, and by the way, at that point I would recommend that you do have your own website. It's a business asset to you. You own it, nobody else. It's fine advertising on Facebook and that, but they can take that away. They can close you down anytime. With your own website, you own it. Nobody can take that away from you. So, digressed a little bit there. So let's say we're going to promote this diamond black bicycle, and you come over here and you click on get link, and Amazon will generate a link for you, and this is the link, pretty ugly, and you promote that link, and when someone clicks on it, you're credited with that sale if they go through and purchase. Okay, and that's all there is to Amazon. Obviously the trick is driving the traffic, generating the traffic, and if you're interested, I do have a link in the description below to the course I'm taking at the moment to take my affiliate marketing up to the next level, and it's all about how you generate traffic. So the link's in the description if you want to check that out. So that's Amazon, and that's quite a large physical item, and of course you don't, Amazon do all sorts of stuff, as you know, but I'm going to take you to another site now that deals in health and beauty, and that may be your thing, and it's called Market Health, and the same process is the same here. You come to affiliates, click on that, you sign up, how you get paid, they tell you how you get paid, and you sign up for their affiliate program. You choose which products you want to promote, you get the tracking links and put them on your site, and when people click on them, the sale is attributed to you, and Market Health pay you accordingly. Another site, again these are all physical products, as you can see, and another site that's been around forever is Junction, and now they've shortened it to CJ, and I'm just going to log in, and we'll have a quick look inside here. Junction, well, I suppose I should call them CJ as they're rebranding themselves. They deal a lot with high street stores as well, or should I say high street stores deal with Junction, and you can see here Trench of London, Jacket London, the big stores, big names rather, that put their products online for people like us to promote. So let's just go into, I don't know, Trench. Let's see what they have, and this is the type of clothes you can see you can promote if you're into clothing. It's men's, and it's top of the range stuff, and if you became an affiliate with Commission Junction, you get access to a myriad of product owners like this, and you see there that they pay 6% per sale. Now I don't know how much those coats are, they're probably a couple of £100. So you might get, I don't know, 12 quid a sale, who knows. It's not something that I'm involved with. But this is a place to come if you want to deal in physical goods, but maybe get to the higher end of the market. And that's Commission Junction. So the next one I'm going to take you to, let me just log, let me take you to the next site, Offer Vault. Okay, this is again a site that does a physical products, but it also does digital, so you get a mixture of products here. And I will take you on to the next site, which is purely a digital site. But here you can see dating site, so that's digital, that isn't a physical product. What else have we got? So you got win a Samsung. When we look at this one, you know, the lawyers, $500 a lead. Let me just click through that. Let's just say that you were in the health niche and you wanted to promote. Okay, so let's say you wanted to promote these lawyers. What you would need to do is come through to the network, and it's e-local, because you would have to sign up to this particular network. Offer Vault is like a middleman themselves that promote these, or these businesses promote themselves on Offer Vault. So you'd come over here, new affiliate, and you'd sign up, and then you could promote these lawyers for $500 a sale. And that is not a physical product. You're recommending someone to a service. It's a digital product. Let me see if I can find, it's not that important that I find a physical product here. You know, CBD or $50 a sale. You know, there's loads and loads of offers inside of Offer Vault. Again, you just get your affiliate link, drive traffic to it, and if the visitors buy, you get the commission. So let's go on to the last network, which is predominantly a digital network, and it's called Clickbank. You may be familiar with Clickbank, and again, you've got all these categories down on the left hand side, and within each category it's broken up into sub categories. You know, self-help, there's abuse, dating, all the rest of it. You can come back and check that out for yourself, but let's just have a quick look through at what these have got. You see $46.91 per sale, right down to there's a make money online, overnight millionaire, and I did see one, attract men and women. That's a dating niche, $84, and the same process applies here. Manifestation miracle, $164, and it's the same process. Let's just say you wanted to promote this manifestation miracle. You click on the promote button, it takes you through to a form. You of course have got to open up an account. You put your account nickname in here, and it generates a tracking ID that's specific to you. You put it on your website, someone clicks on it and purchases Manifestation Miracle, you get $164. And that's how affiliate marketing works. It's all about generating traffic to an asset that you own, a website that you own. You can do it on Facebook if you want to, but I wouldn't advise it. As I said earlier, you can always get your account shut down quite easily. You own your own website. So that's basically, in a nutshell really, what affiliate marketing is and how it works. And if you're interested in going to the next level and want to find out how you generate traffic to these offers, then there is a link below here in the description that goes to my site here, where you can sign up and find out more information about how I'm actually driving traffic to my affiliate offers, and I'm taking my affiliate activity up to the next level. So I think that's it for today. I'm Mike Lucas from MikeLucasOnline.com, and if you did find this video helpful, I'd really appreciate it if you'd comment, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell for future videos, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.